Good riddance. Paula Llewellyn out after 41 years. Then what next? Will she be vying for the next Governor General status? It is the end of an era in Jamaica's justice system. On Friday, Paula Llewellyn, the Director of Public Prosecutions, officially demitted office after 17 long years at the helm and a total of 41 years in public service. Her departure closes a chapter in Jamaican history, but not everyone is singing her praises. For many Jamaicans, this moment is not just about retirement, it is about relief. Over the years, Paula Llewellyn's office was often accused of protecting the powerful, shielding Prime Minister Andrew Holness and members of the security forces from accountability. Time after time, ordinary citizens cried out for justice, only to feel abandoned by the very system that was supposed to defend them. Critics argue that under her leadership, the scales of justice were tilted away from the poor and powerless, leaving countless Jamaicans without answers, without fairness, and without hope. Now, as she bows out of office, a new storm is brewing. Allegedly, there are whispers that Paula Llewellyn is tipped to become Jamaica's next female Governor General. But the people are asking, what can go so? After years of shielding politicians and police officers from the hand of justice, can she really be elevated to the highest ceremonial office in the land? Many Jamaicans are saying enough is enough. They want true change, not recycling of the same faces who presided over injustice. The hope is that the People's National Party will stand firm and reject any such move, because the people of Jamaica have made it clear they have had enough of Paula Llewellyn. So as Jamaica turns the page, the question remains, will the next chapter finally bring true fairness, transparency, and accountability? Or will it be more of the same, with the rich and powerful walking free while the poor continue to suffer? One thing is certain, Jamaicans are watching closely. History will judge not only Paula Llewellyn, but the entire system she leaves behind. And this time, the people are demanding more than promises, they are demanding justice. Stay tuned and keep it locked for more updates. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest in Jamaican politics.